Hello children, this is my fifth video on measurement and experimentation, lesson 1, ninth class physics. Today we will read how to take measurement by using a vernier caliper or taking reading by using a vernier caliper. In this video I will teach you what are the things that to be adapted while you take the measurement by using the vernier caliper. Here you can see it's a vernier caliper, and in between the vernier caliper's external jaw you are holding a cylinder. A small cylinder is being kept inside the two external jaws, and to measure the length of the vernier given cylinder up to its accuracy decimal 2 places. Okay, 2 places up to we can measure its accuracy value, and length of the cylinder could find by using this vernier caliper. Okay, so today to observe the cylinder vernier caliper, how to find the length of this particular cylinder I am holding, today I will demonstrate and show you that how we could measure the length of this particular cylinder by using the vernier caliper. Okay, to find its measurement properly, I have drawn here a tabulation where you find the least count of the given vernier caliper. This vernier caliper's least count, that means the least measurement that could be taken by this device equal to 0.01 centimeter. Its meaning is up to decimal 100th part, I mean decimal 2 places up to it can measure the accuracy level. So you can find here the table for the measurement. Number of observation, MSR. MSR stands for main scale reading in centimeter. VC for vernier coincidence, and VSR, that is vernier scale reading. Okay, then finally MSR plus VSR, when we add we'll get the value of the cylinder that we are going to take its length measurement. And finally when you go for more than one observation, suppose 5 observations you are finding, in that case all the values you will add and divide by 5 you will do to get its mean. Okay, today we are going to measure the vernier calipers cylinders, the length by using the vernier caliper. Okay children, so what I will do, first I will try to put this cylinder in between its external jaw. Look at, okay, since I am holding the camera in one hand and other hand I am trying to adjust it, it's getting a little different, so I am putting the camera for 1 minute down. You can see that by keeping the vernier caliper in between the two external jaws in this way, we can put the cylinder. Look at this children. By taking this cylinder in between the two external jaws, we can measure its length. Hope everybody can see. Now here we'll go for the observation number 1. So we will take the observation 1, first observation. Next column is your MSR, main scale reading. How to find the main scale reading here? You can see I am focusing here. At this point the vernier 0 is located. Okay, vernier 0 pointing where on the main scale, that will be your main scale reading. You can see here it is 10, before 10 9.5, it is 9.4. so at 9.4 the MSR records 9.4. I wrote it here, MSR, main scale reading in centimeter, that is 9.4 centimeter. I can show you here that this is your 10 centimeter. Look at that, 10 centimeter. on the main scale. This is your main scale, and vernier 0 wherever point on the main scale, that will be your main scale reading. Vernier 0 points on a main scale wherever it will show, that will be your main scale reading. You can see here that before 10 it is 9.5, 9.4. Vernier scale's first division 0 is locating at 9.4. So 9.4 is your MSR or main scale reading. Now when you go for VC meaning is vernier coincidence. That means which division of the vernier scale coincides with the main scale. You can see here for vernier coincidence, many other places also you can see vernier coincidence. Here you can see in this case the vernier scales one line is matching accurately with the main scales line. So here also you can see vernier scales one line, that is the third division. First division 0 you leave, first, second and third division is matching. So VC will be 3. In this case also you will find the VC. VC in this case I am finding that the matching division is 4th division. So VC of the particular reading equal to 4. 4th division on the main scale, I mean vernier scale, is matching to the main scale's one of the division. That is what the vernier coincidence or VC we are talking about. Look at that. So VC of vernier scale's coincidence we found 4. Now we'll go for VSR. VSR means what that is? VC 4 into LC 0.01. This gives you 0.04. Look at that. To find the VSR, always you need to multiply VC into LC. VC is 4 and the least count is 0.01. That will give you VSR, vernier scale reading. So vernier scale reading could be found out very easily when you multiply VC, vernier coincidence value, that is 4th division, with the least count. 1 division equal to 0.01. Like that 4 divisions means 0.04 will be the VSR, vernier scale reading. Now to complete the reading, what you should do? MSR plus VSR. MSR is 9.4 plus VSR is 0.04. Together it is 9.44. Okay children, 9.44. MSR 9.4. VSR 0.04. When you are adding, it is 9.44. Children, by using this scale, this particular meter scale, you can hardly find up to decimal 1 place only. But when we are using this vernier caliper, you can find for decimal 2 digits. That is 100th part of a decimal also you can calculate. Okay, this is the first reading. Now what you will do, you will turn the cylinder into another place. Now you will try to take one more reading. So for the second reading, if I go for the second reading, I will write here observation 2. Observation 2. Okay, now I will check again the main scale reading. So main scale reading now also I can find 9.4. 9.4. Okay, now I will check the VC. Look at that. The vernier coincidence of the scale you can find here. Now it is 6th division. 6th division of the vernier scale is coinciding completely with the main scale. Because of rusting you are unable to see properly. This is 6. So in this case now we will multiply 6 into 0.01. So this gives you 0.06 centimeter. Now for the second reading again MSR plus VSR. So what you should do? 9.4 plus 0.06. This gives you 9.46. Children, there may be a question in your mind. Same cylinder, while you found the reading 9.44, why it is 9.46? Children, it is a manufactured plastic scale. Somewhere what happened, it may be uneven. Some manufacturer defects may be. That is the reason while you go for more than one reading. We are finding more than one reading. Children, here you can find 2 readings I taken. You can go for more reading, 10 readings, 5 readings you can take and add all this value and divide by 5 if you are taking 5 readings. Here I am taking 2 reading, so I will divide by 2. In this case, what I can find? 9.44, 9.46. So if I divide, I will get the mean value is 9.45. So children, the length of the plastic cylinder here is being found 9.44. This is how you can measure the length of a given object. Or diameter also we can measure. We can measure the diameter even when you put the plastic cylinder in between the you can find in between them. If you put this one, then you can find its diameter even you can find its diameter. Look at that. You can put this one in between the external jaws, you can find diameter, you can find its length, but it will give you the accurate value, because with this scale it can give you decimal 1 digit only, but here you can find up to decimal 2 digits. So today in this video we learned how to use this vernier caliper to take the measurement of different object, external diameter, length, even the internal diameter also we can find, even the depth by using this rod. By using this rod we can find the depth of the small containers also. Okay, thank you for watching the video.